Venting a shed loft without soffit or ridge vents can totally feel like a puzzle, but it's doable if you know what to look for and how to set it up right. So, first off, you gotta remember that air circulation is key to keeping that loft dry and free from mold or heat buildup. Start by figuring out where you can add vents on the walls near the roofline, like gable vents or small intake vents. If soffits are a no-go, those wall vents become your best friends for bringing fresh air in. Then, think about putting in an exhaust vent somewhere high up, like a roof vent or even a powered attic fan if you want to get fancy. Make sure the vents are balanced so air can move in and out smoothly. Otherwise, it's like trying to breathe through a blocked nose. Another trick is to use vent chutes or baffles inside the loft to keep air flowing over the insulation and prevent it from getting trapped. Also, sealing any gaps or cracks is clutch to stop moisture sneaking in where it shouldn't. Keep in mind that using breathable materials for insulation can help too, since they don't trap moisture as much. Basically, you want a nice path for air to flow from the lower vents up to the higher exhaust points, even if you don't have those classic soffit or ridge vents. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with shed loft ventilation is ignoring the intake vents and only focusing on exhaust, which messes up airflow and causes heat or moisture to build up. Make sure you have both types of vents working together to keep things balanced. Another common problem is blocking vents with insulation or other materials. This totally kills airflow, so always double check before finishing your walls or ceiling. The third issue is using vents that are too small or not placed well, which just doesn't move enough air to be effective. Fix these by measuring your shed's square footage and matching vent sizes to recommended ventilation rates, plus placing them opposite each other for good crossflow. If you're stuck, sometimes adding a small solar-powered fan can give that extra push air needs. BigHomeProjects.com is super useful because it connects homeowners with reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff about projects like this. Plus, contractors get a chance to find legit work from people who are ready to hire, making the whole process way less stressful for everyone involved.